Hi, I had a lot of fun test driving Hughes&Kettner RedBox 5. I like experimenting with recording guitar. In this demo, I'll share some of the recording setups I use. RedBox has been an industry standard in recording studio since its first days of introduction to the market. As you know, this is Guitar Cabinet Simulator. It converts line signal or speaker signal from guitar amp into balanced frequency compensated microphone level signal with tonal characteristics of guitar cabinet. With the RedBox, you can feed speaker out right into the audio interface microphone input, and we connect the cabinet using the through output of RedBox. This is a great setup if you have a separate studio room for a guitar cabinet, because it's gonna be loud. It can be any amp. With the RedBox, you can record 2 channels: mic'd up cabinet and direct one through RedBox. We also have an effects loop, and both channels we are recorded with the effects. This is recording setup 1. It's gonna work with any amp. A great thing about TubeMeister is its own RedBox output. So we have 2 speaker emulated outputs. That gives us an idea for the second setup. Setup number 2, and this is the actual configuration I'll be using for the sound demo. How about recording dry signal before effects from the effects loop send? From the through output to the guitar effects and back to the amp. The second channel will go from TubeMeister's RedBox out. This is a great setup for home studio that allows you to record 2 channels. If you have an isolated studio room, you can also mic up a guitar cabinet. This is not the case for our demo, so we'll have to go ahead with 2 channels, but all in all, this configuration allows you to record 3 channels. Now let's quickly go through the ProTools session setup. And here it is how it looks in ProTools. I am recording 2 tracks. I have a TubeMeister RedBox out and RedBox, so you can compare RedBox sound with different switch positions. We'll listen to these tracks individually and in the mix with and without effects. I have all the standard plugins, gate, EQ, and one plugin not so usual on a guitar track. Tail space. Well, on aux inputs I have delay, chorus and flanger. You would usually expect to see a reverb on an aux input too. In this case, I'm putting tail space on individual guitar tracks for the convenience of this demo. Before setting up the session, please go to the Hughes&Kettner website and download impulse responses, which will give you the sound of a mic'd cabinet.